require us just getting out of the short-term and frankly selfish approach that sometimes politics breeds. We got to think a bit long-term. But here's the good news. Our problems are imminently solvable, and we know what we have to do to solve them. His attitude is that we're working together as opposed to trying to work at odds with each other. And our future depends on fighting this downturn with everything that we, people of good faith, came together and were willing to compromise. We know that our challenges are imminently solvable. And all these problems that they're facing right now are entirely solvable, but the markets, when they start seeing potential uncertainty, show a lot more risk aversion, and you can start getting into a negative cycle.
Full red line.
Well, look, I believe this is solvable.
Tiffany, and the message that I think we all want to send to members of Congress is, this is a solvable problem. The Senate has already passed a bill that would...
This is a solvable problem, if in fact Iran's not pursuing a nuclear weapon.
Work with both parties in Washington to make progress. Because our challenges are solvable. You know, I travel all around the world, and I meet... It doesn't make them bad laws. It just means that there are very few human problems that the good news is that every one of the challenges that we confront, every one of the barriers, whether it's education, immigration, infrastructure, that prevent us from being as competitive as we could be, they're all solvable. It is a solvable problem, but it is one that unfortunately spikes after one event and then fades into the background until something else happens. And it's especially important at a time when we face multiple challenges, both internationally and domestically, challenges that are entirely solvable, but so often don't get solved because rather than having a sense of common good, we focus on our differences. These are solvable problems, but it's not a matter of us passively waiting for somebody else to solve it. And this is something that is solvable.